Join me as I unbox our goods from China to Nigeria. Oh my god. In short, the goods are given. Now you can see our sequin slippers. Quality shook. Yes, actually I run the biggest pre-order bulk group, and here in this group we collectively buy things at factory prices and quality shook. So if you also want to join our pre-order group, just go to the description icon. You will see our group link. Hit on it and join smart business owners and start cashing out. Yes, we are buying things at mouth-watering price, factory price, and quality shook. Yes, collectively we'll meet up with our MOQ, our company's MOQ, and boom, we bring the goods right from China to Nigeria at mouth-watering price, and everyone received their items and they are happy. Yes, do well to hit the like button, subscribe if you've not, because here in this channel we talk about how to import A to Z importation: India, China, Bangladesh, Vietnam, Dubai, all in one. And we also talk about how to make legit money online using your smartphone. Kai, this sneakers shook. Whoa, oh my god, so beautiful. Yeah, enjoy our unboxing videos, and if you want any of the let's say, just drop in the comment section what you feel about this unboxing videos, what you feel about this product here, right here, this goods right here. Just communicate with me on the comment section. I'll be right there to give you a lovely hug and answer your questions. The sneakers quality no be here. So giving, guys. Now look at the green. That's the green color. So fine. And the beautiful thing about this sneakers, if I tell you the price, you will shock. The prices, market prices are so high, but we are getting it at mouth-watering price. Yes, and see your pre-order runs this. Yeah, and see your pre-order runs this. Now these are kids tablets, comes in pink color. I've done the unboxing of this kids tablet before. I can go through my other videos, you'll see the unboxing of this kids tablet. Now that's a vegetable peeler. It has green and also came in with different colors, red and lemon and all that. Right here we have this hue shoe is given. So fine, guys, so fine. Now look at the cap, also comes in pink and black, and it's so fine. I'm not sure my camera is making justice to this. Now these are 32 features smartwatch, all in one. This smartwatch makes sense and is affordable. We now have a sunglass here. This sunglass is so fine. In short, people that have gotten it, they are so happy. They said this quality is given, and it comes in different colors. Yeah, these are unboxing. My next video I'll also be bringing more of unboxing. Yes, we'll be unboxing our 43 cartons that just arrived. So within the unboxing, no matter unboxing go loud. Now this is given. This is like a gift pack. Mini hand fan, comes in different, so fine. Look at the pack. It comes with a small handle bag, and it comes with a mini hand fan, a cup, towel, and a phone holder, all in this small package, and it's super affordable. You can give this as a gift. Yeah, the person will appreciate it. Now these are school bag, back to school bag, so fine. Spider-Man bag, comes in blue and comes in navy blue or black. Yeah, navy blue. not so childish. So fine, man. So give this video a thumbs up if not, and tell me in the comment section what you feel about the unboxing. Which of the items, which of the goods you prefer? Which one do you love? You understand me? The one you just love. Drop in the comment section. Yeah, these are tote bags. Comes in blue and a bit wine. Tote bag. We also have two types of tote bag. There's another one again. I'm not sure it's in this video. There's another one again. This is a flask. So lovely, man. So fine. These flags, I've used it. I use it for my baby and it retains hotness. So I can recommend it. It's so fine, and it also comes with an indicator that tells you the level of temperature instantly. So it's a good buy. The flask is a good buy. It's super